Howdy y'all, it's about, I don't know, 18 degrees out here, wind chill's 0 or thereabouts, and I figured it'd be a good day to do an unboxing. I won a giveaway in Wooly's World. He's an Irishman. He just passed 1,000 subs a while back, so happy 1K there, Wooly. He had a giveaway, and then he had a sneaky giveaway, and I won the sneaky giveaway, so I'm gonna unwrap it. I know what it is. It's a knife, but that's all I know. It's a Hultafors, which is a brand that I'm not familiar with. Well, there's a patch in here. Red Branch Bushcraft. Let nature be your teacher. And that is some good advice there. So, the patch. Let's check this knife out. Okay. Kind of reminds me of a Mora Hultafors. Outdoor knife, model OK4. Well, I like the feel of that handle. Got a fairly thick blade, nice edge. Carbon steel. I hope that's showing up. Just kind of guessed at the camera angle. Oh yeah, that is cool. Oh, like I said, I love the feel of that handle. Nice sheath. So you can bet I'll be packing that out here with me in the woods. So wow, I know it's a giveaway, but I appreciate that, Wooly. And I'm going to try to leave a link to Wooly's channel. He does bushcrafting stuff. Him and a guy was actually out trapping marten for research purposes. He does wood splitting stuff, product reviews, and he's just like a really cool guy. So go check out Wooly's World. Now, I better pick up this here package and get going. Temperature's supposed to keep dropping today, so thanks for watching, everybody, and everybody stay safe out there. Later.